When you come in for your procedure here at the Wausau Surgery Center, you're going to come in and register with our receptionist. They're going to ask for a couple good pieces of documents from you, one being your insurance card and also a photo ID. We'd ask that you have those along. If you're bringing in a child for surgery, we'd ask that a parent has a photo ID with them. Once you're registered, a pre-op nurse will come and get you from our lobby area. We'll take you back to our pre-op area. We'll ask that if you need to use the restroom, that you use it at that time. And then we're going to get you changed into a gown for your procedure. We'll go over what to expect while you're here with us. We'll be getting some vitals from you. We'll be starting an IV if your procedure requires an IV for that day, and answering any questions that you may have. You'll meet in our pre-op area your anesthesiologist if your procedure requires an anesthesiologist for your procedure. You'll also meet a nurse anesthetist, and also the operating room nurse will come in and speak with you. The surgeon will come and see you prior to your procedure and answer any last questions that you may have as well. After procedure is done, your surgeon will speak with your family member if they are present in the lobby. If they are not here, we do ask that they leave a phone number for us to contact them. And as soon as you're awake and ready for visitors in the recovery room, we will bring your family member in by you there, in which time we'll go over instructions with both of you together. You may not remember a lot of your recovery room time depending on your anesthesia, and that's the reason why you need to have an adult over the age of 18 to drive you home. A few key things to keep in mind prior to your surgery. If you were instructed to not eat or drink anything after midnight, it is extremely important that you follow that recommendation or that rule. So nothing to eat or to drink after midnight means no water, no candy, no gum chewing, no nothing, no coffee, no nothing after midnight. We also ask that you do not wear any makeup that day of surgery, no nail polish on your fingers, and if we're working on your lower extremity, no polish on your toes, and no jewelry. And that means absolutely no jewelry. No earrings, no necklaces, no wedding rings, no nothing that day of surgery. So we'd ask that you leave all that at home the day of surgery. Always wear something comfortable when you come to surgery. We're going to have you changing into a gown, so something loose and comfortable is always a good idea. Have a good pair of shoes on for walking purposes. If you have any questions regarding your time here with us at the Wausau Surgery Center, you can always refer back to your patient instruction booklet that you may have received when you were scheduled for surgery. That booklet has a lot of great information in it, what to expect prior to surgery, during your procedure time, and what to expect a little bit after surgery. Our map is on the back side of it. You can always refer to that. Otherwise, pushing us into your Google Maps at 3801 Stewart Avenue is how to find us.